Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. A beautiful day for Tiger Kung Fu Lesson A. First part of this video, the tiger hand against leopard. The second part, the tutorial step by step for the Tiger Kung Fu. The last part of the video, the quantity training real Kung Fu class. So follow me. Let's go. The last move from lesson 7. You land your left quick, your left hand to blocking and push with your tiger hand. Landing quick and block just above your head, and you push from your waist and twist your heel, and your power generate from your heel and your hip until your shoulder and your head. Let's see this again. 1, 2. After that, you both hand crossing to make a side kick, higher, sharp kick, and landing, rotate. See, once I go, the kick is above my shoulder, kick the face. As soon as you kick, you landing back, and you both hand from your right side and go to left double hand, and you go pull point, high, empty stance. All your weight is behind this line, so you can move around in front pose because it's called high empty stance. Both hands just right there. Let's see how to use those moves for self-defense. Real application. You block by your left hand with your tiger hand, and your right hand is the way a quick strike to the chest or leg or the face. After this one, you quick jump and both hands cross. Left leg jump first to 45 degree. If someone attack you this way, and you go adas. At the same time, your both hand cross is a defense movement. No matter how they attack, your hand can move around to protect. As soon as you get this position, the next move, the back swing, you both hand quick rotate. And this knee goes on the floor, and you both hand on the floor, and you go swing and rotate to kick the leg. As soon as you go down, your right leg bend your knee like this position, then you go powerful kick. Let's see how those moves used for self-defense. Right? So once someone to kicking you, you both hand like tiger hand, you crushing and you push down. You go kick, boom, go kick, another kick, you push down, and that's the power. And as soon as they land in your face, I gotta go swing. And that's the way how you make your swing kick, take them down. Wait. After this move, both leg, open cross. And you go 乌龙脚柱，上。 After you got up to your right leg, quick circle stops. Both hands cross, come back to your waist, and double. Take your hand. Same time you pick it. A lot after you both hand. Per tight position. With your knee down, left, and bend your right knee. Let's see how you use those moves for self-defense. If you want to have a real tiger kung fu training, follow me until the end for the real timing kung fu training for quantity and the right technique. Let's go. Welcome to the real timing kung fu class. So follow me from slow speed to intermediate speed and fast speed. Stop!